Hi there, this is Miss Emerson, and I'm going to show you today how to use Google My Map. Okay, so follow my instructions and you will have what you need to get started on your assignment today. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your Google Drive. So you have to be in Google Drive. And the next thing that you do once you are in Google Drive is you click New, go down to More, see where it says More there, and then slide over and go to Google My Maps. Google My Maps. Okay, so we're going to click on that, and it's going to start a map for you, and it will start probably with the United States. And so there's information over here that we need to fill in before we get started. So the first thing that we're going to do, if you didn't see that, is we're going to click here where it says Untitled Map. And we're going to give this a name. So Miss Emerson's, yours will have your name in it. So I'm going to call this Miss Emerson's My Map. And I'm going to say, this map shows where I was born and my favorite places. Okay, click Save. Now the title up here says Miss Emerson's My Map. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to talk about this. Layers are the same as topics. See where it says add a layer. So it starts with a layer, and we're going to double click on that. And let's see, we want to give that a title. So we're going to call this we're going to call it My Birthplace. That means where you were born. My birthplace. Now, to find where I was born, I need to click up here in this text box, and I need to put in the name, the city, and the state. Or if you're doing this, if you're in another country looking for something in another country, you would do city, name, and country. Okay, but in this case, I'm looking for North Canton, Ohio. Okay, and this is right there is what I'm looking for. So North Canton, Ohio. So there it takes me on the map to that place in the United States. And it says here, North Canton, OH is short for Ohio. I'm going to go down here and I'm going to go add to map. See how that added a little marker. This is called a marker. Now, the next thing that you need to do is to add a description or explain it. So we're going to click here where it says edit. And I'm going to put on there North Canton, Ohio was where I was born. And you can add your birthday if you'd like on October 26, 1966. I lived there until I was 18 years old. Okay, now that I've typed in this box, I'm going to hit save to save the changes. So now here's my description. And if you look over here, the marker is in North Canton. You see the label over here. Okay, so this is North Canton and it shows up there. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to add a picture of the place. So this is North Canton, Ohio, and I don't have any photos, so I'm going to do Google image search. If you want to get a picture from your computer, then you would do upload, okay? So you can upload from your computer, but I'm going to do a Google image search. So I'm going to type in the search box here, North Canton, Ohio. I'm putting in the state because there could be another place called North Canton, Ohio. You don't know. So there are different pictures here, and I want one that shows people what the area looks like. So I'm going to click on this one because I can see many parts of the city there. And I'm going to select, and then it will show up here. See, that's Canton, Ohio, North Canton, Ohio. So I have to save again. I have to save or my picture will go away. So I'm going to click save. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change what the marker looks like. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to put a house there. This is an icon called a house. You can do more icons. There are many, many. An icon is a small picture. So there are many of these that you can see, but really the only one that I want is the one that looks like a house because that's where my home is. And I'm going to put purple, going to make it purple so that it's easy to see. Okay, so that's the first thing that you're going to do. So there's my first place on the map, my birthplace. Now we're going to go back here to add a layer. Click on add a layer. And we're going to give that a title. So if you notice here, I clicked on untitled layer. Click there, and I'm going to call this my favorite places, because you're supposed to include where you were born, but then 4 of your favorite places. So I'm just going to show you a couple of 1 or 2 of my favorite places so you can see how to do it. If you make a mistake, here is the undo arrow, okay? So undo will change that. Now, I'm going to type in the next place that I like, which is London, England. Okay, and here it is. You make sure you get the right one. London, England. Okay, and I'm going to add that to my map. So I'll click Add to Map. Then I'm going to explain. So I need to edit. And I'm going to put in there, I spent 3 months in England when I was in college. And I'm going to say something about it. I enjoyed, I liked the seeing Buckingham, Palace, where the Queen, of England lives. Okay, so I'm going to, what am I going to do next? Think back to what I said before, and these instructions will be on the slide so you can review them. You're going to click Save. The next thing I'm going to do is find a picture. So I'm going to click on here. And by the way, let's see, I'm going to put in London. I don't want to just put in London. Let me see, if I just put in London, it might not be England. It could be other places, okay? Because there are other places named London. So we're going to do England. Okay. And I'm going to pick a picture that I think shows a really good picture of London so people can see what it looks like. Because I've been there, so I want other people to know what it looks like. So let's see. I think none of these are really that pretty. I'm going to choose this one, I think. That's a pretty one. All right, so it will add it up here. If you want to add more than one picture, you can hit plus and add another picture. Just hit select when you're done, and now it will have two pictures. There's an arrow. There's picture 1, picture 2. If you would like to get rid of a picture, you don't like it, there's a little trash can here you can delete. So it'll take the picture away. Now it's gone. Okay, but if you want a second picture, you can have that, but you don't have to. Now I have to save again. Click. There we go. Now it's saved. Okay, if you don't see the save button, it's saved. Okay, and then I am lastly going to find an icon, and I'm going to put a camera there because it's a good place to take pictures. It's a good place to take pictures of many different places. So that's my second one. If you notice here, it says London. Now, when you submit this, you're going to have to share it. So you will click share. You will click, let's see, you're going to click on a link. You're going to copy a link. Okay. I'm going to change this to Robbinsdale Schools. Let's see, viewer. All right, copy link. Then I'm going to go to Schoology, and I'm going to put the link in Schoology. So once you get the link, make sure it says Robbinsdale Area Schools. You have to click here, and then viewer. Make sure that you can just leave that alone. Copy link. Okay, so it says link copied. Then I'm going to go over to Schoology. I'm going to click on our class. I'm going to go to materials, and I'm going to go to quarter 1, week 2 folder, session 2, and there's the assignment. I'm going to click on the assignment, and right here where it says submissions, you are going to add a link. I can't show you that because I'm not a student, but let's view the course like a student would be seeing it. We'll look at high rows. Okay, so high row would see materials and quarter 1 and week 2. Mine looks different than yours. Session 2, this is class number 2 this week. Okay, click on the map assignment. And then right here, you'll click and add your link. Paste your link. Okay? Again, I can't show you how to do it here, but that is what you do, and then you are finished. So thank you very much. If you have questions, please let me know.